Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to another live stream session here. Live stream, New York session. So let's get right into the news that we had today, All right. So we had PPI month to month. Good numbers for the dollar. Really good numbers for the dollar. The really good percentages. Also today we have FOMC at 8 p.m. So will be very hard to trade today because we got these high volume news. So we have to wait to see how's the bank rate decision. Yeah, like we have to wait the statement. So yeah, let's get right into the charts. So let's open the MetaTrader here. Okay, we have on the daily time frame. Now let's delete all of these. Let's delete all of these zones that I draw right here, and get to the weekly time frame. Oh, what the fuck is this? This is Bitcoin. What the fuck? Okay, gold. This is gold. God damn! Look at this. Oh my God! Look how far this kind of moves, man. God damn. Okay. So the daily time frame is kind of, I mean, not kind of, it's strongly, very strong bearish. I can see right here support or something minor support, not a minor support, but something as a support. Obviously I'm going to look for some sort of sells because we got very a lot of volume in the market. It drops like almost 3%. Get to the 12 hours, we see that we break below this support level right here. Okay, drop to the 8-hour time frame, 8-hour break its own low, it makes the high, it looks great. Let's go drop to the 4 hours. So the 4 hour do the same as 8 hours, 2 hours the same as 4 hour and 8 hours. So we got almost the same candles to 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. Drop down to the 1 hour, really nice candle. Let's see the 30-minute. Oh yeah, 30-minute close bearish. At this point, yeah, I think it might work a sell because we got this. I'm gonna sell because we got this candle closure right here. Let's drop to the 50-minute. Yeah, same with the 50-minute time frame. Looks good. Yeah, kind of like that. Kind of like how the candles are forming here. Yeah, I'm sticking with this sell. Looks pretty good. Maybe I can risk it even more. Maybe if I can get a break below this candle, I'm going to re-entry a sell, but the stop will be somewhere right here for the second position. So I'm gonna keep the first one. I'm gonna leave the first one to get higher, like a higher stop, but this will be like somewhere right here, something like that, because we got like very good volume and the clear structure, and it's like I see only red before my eyes. Yes, yep, it is a lot of red. Yeah, I can see the drop too, like I don't know, only for buys. No, not a single buy in all these areas, man. And the targets I can see, like for some targets we got this support right over here, this area. Wait a second, right here we got this, and yeah, some candles are closing below that. Wait a second, right over here. Yeah, I mean at this point I don't know how the 30-minute support and resistance right here will, like, nah man, I think we can drop even more. Like, god damn, it is a big drop, but at this point I don't know. Wait, let me place another line here. Let's get back to the current chart. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of good, kind of good. Yeah, I'm waiting. Looks pretty good. I want to see how the 1 hour candle will close. The 30-minute just opened 10 minutes, 9 minutes ago. We have to wait. But yeah, looks, for me, looks pretty good for sales. Looks pretty good for sales, especially for these. I mean, many times I've seen this movement on the gold, so like candle printing side by side, and then it continues the trend. But yeah, I mean, at this point, yeah, a very nice entry could be right here. So after the break of this low, that could be a very good sell with a stop right 100 pips here. But also you can took some trades below, I mean after the candle close. So after the candle close, we can see a continuation to the downside. So yeah, so far so good. Also on the higher time frames, we got these we have these space to fill, like very good look on the left hand side. So you said that if the 1 hour close inside a week of the previous candle will not be good for a buy. I mean, in it close inside the previous week, will it mean the bear are out of power, right? Wait, so let me go to the 1 hour. So you said what you said what? So if the 1 hour close inside the week of the previous candle, what do you mean inside the week? I mean, you mean right here in this area? You mean this area right here? I mean, in it close inside the previous week will mean the bear are out of power, right? Well, if the 1 hour candle will close bearish again, it means that we have bears in control, obviously. I don't know what do you mean inside of the previous week. Yeah, that area. No, man, like that's it was like a rejection, a correction here, and then we got another candle on the 30-minute, also on the 30-minute close bearish. So for me personally, if we can get like, let's say this candle will close bearish around here, we good. I mean, candles closing bearish means that bears are in control. So if we got sales, we are looking for candle to close bearish. So yeah, I don't know. Looks pretty good for sales. At least the 30-minute one. I mean, all the time frame looks good for sales. It depends on how much you want to risk, like, or how much you want to like retest to the upside. But also we can see that it breaks in the first place these weeks from here. So yeah, you see in the latest live streamings we got the we got the time, so we have to wait like more for the candles to form and things like that. But yeah, I mean, as long as candle closing bearish, we good in the positions. Also breaking some lows. Yeah, we gotta wait. Oh, what was that, man? What the fuck? Yeah, we gotta wait. I don't know, let me check how far I place this area right here. What the fuck, man? Okay. Oh yeah, looks like a very good area for sales. I mean, for targets right here, even lower, but let's keep it in the middle of this move upside. Oh yeah. I mean, it's kind of pretty easy when you got these kind of drops. It's kind of easy to get some trades because it's obviously like we can tell from this picture right here. Wait, let me from this part of the chart. Who do you think is in control right now? Who do you think right now is in control? I'm gonna say bears. I'm gonna say bears because I mean we got like 90% of the chart bearish. I'm gonna say bears are in control there. Also, we dropped since the pre-New York session. Yeah, we start to drop pre-New York, and maybe we'll continue in the New York Stock Exchange Open and I mean the time we are in right now. Candles kind of print very small. Look at that 15-minute candle. It's almost at the closure and it's like indecision candle, like it's a very small body. Yeah, it closed like a very small body there. Yeah, candle print upside and downside, but I can tell the power is in bear's control and is in bear hands right now. So yeah, we have to wait. That's the thing. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for the candles to close. So that's all we can do. We have to wait. Yeah. Also, what I've seen in the past was like the candles break the highs in these very big drops of the price, and just like right here we can say like, okay, let me delete this. Let's analyze this. So where we have this week right here, we can say is like a minor resistance. Let's drop to the 15-minute time frame. We can see right here it's a minor resistance right here. Okay, candles just break to the upside and then close back to the downside. Also this candle close very strong bearish. At this point we got a range. On the lower time frames we got a range, so this is the range that we have. Everything closing, I mean we need another candle to close bearish to continue even strong as the drop, and also for me to think about the sells, I need a candle to close bullish to the upside above these wicks. If I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna close the trades. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for candle to close and prints. It's very dangerous to watch the 15-minute time frame because, as we can see, the 15 minutes like kind of ranging to say from. I mean, we range. It's not at a big range, but we got a lot of candles. So yeah, only waiting for 30-minute and 1-hour candle to get some closures, and yeah, that's what I have to do. What's your idea? So what do you want to see, or how do you want to trade this? First of all, how do you want to trade this? What do you expect? What do you expect the market to do? All right, so you said if a strong buy candle close above 48.83, I look for a buy on 50-minute time frame. So let's take a look on 50-minute time frame. So you want a candle strong closing bullish above 48.83. 48, wait, I can't see 48.83. 80, 83. Oh, it's, oh yeah, yep, sure. Yeah, that makes sense. That would make sense. That would make sense. 4883. Yeah, it's right here. It's the top of the mini range. Let's say that mini range. Yeah, what you said makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that's my idea too. That's my idea too. That's what I want to like. In order to make me feel that the sales are not more tradable in this market at this point. It should be a candle close above that area. So yeah, or even better, 1 hour candle close bullish. I mean, strong bullish, right? But yeah, we got 10 more minutes for this hourly candle to close. We got a week on the 3-minute time frame right here. We gotta wait. Yeah, that's the power that we had. We have to wait, and pretty much that's it. We have to wait. Let me get with this support here. Okay, but yeah, we need to wait. Also, we've seen many times candle printing side by side on that, but yeah, let's get a bit on the yesterday. Oh no, let's analyze. Let's let. I mean, I'm gonna let gold breathe. Let's go to the pound yen. Oh, we gotta. I'm gonna delete this. What we have? So on the daily, we got right here. On the daily, we have some sort of a like. We kind of continue moving to the upside. We do have a resistance right here at this point, 2100, 214, 150. We got a support at this point. Let's drop the time frames. Okay, it makes sense that we have a resistance at this point here. We break that resistance, and another for some next targets we can have like at this point right here, like the last high. Also, we have some trouble here in this area on the 8 hours. Let's drop even more for our kind of, yeah, it looks kind of good for a buy. I mean, maybe after this 30-minute candle, if it closed like bullish, looks good for a buy. With keep this, we got 70 pips. Yeah, we can. I mean, I'm not gonna trade this, but it's not a bad structure, to be honest. Let's watch the I mean, look at that. Look at Bitcoin, bro. What the fuck? I really wanna sell Bitcoin. God damn. Really wanna sell it, man. Nice fake out here. Gonna mark this. Yeah, the very good sales below this level. I don't know how many points or how many pips are there, but god damn, that's a lot. That's a lot, and I guess a lot as the gold we have, like the gold move we had today. Also, we'll have a lot of movements in the evening at 8 p.m. So yeah, you gotta expect something big. I mean, god damn. FOMC, very strong news, but for sure Bitcoin looks very bullish. Very sorry. It drops since it was, what the fuck, it was 125k. God damn, just straight like dropping like a knife. He dropped him like a knife, dude. Yeah, get back to our trades here. So far so good. I'm gonna wait. Alright, man. See you. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you, man. So I kind of wait for these 2 hours and 1 hour candles to close. We gotta push for the 2 hour candle to make its own upper wick. And right now, I mean, no decision make until we got some new candle close. Um, yeah, I think it went pretty good so far. So far, so good. Yeah, kind of ranging on 30-minute time frame and 50-minute time frame. Yeah, can take a decision right now. So I'm just going to wait. I'm gonna wait for 2 hour to move something. I mean, I don't know if the volume will drop just because we got in 3 hours the FOMC, but yeah, I'm gonna wait for this trade to move because from like in the last 30 minutes we moved only like 130 116 pips, like not that much, so we gotta wait. Yeah, we gotta wait to see what's happened. I do like the structure on 2 hour, not gonna lie. I do like the candles on 2 hours, so I'm gonna stick to this. I'm gonna wait. Hopefully in like an hour, I guess. Wait, let me take a look here on the trading view, because with this time zone I don't know how candles are gonna close. So for the 4 hour time frame, we got this right here. Okay, so for the 4 hour we have an hour and a half, an hour and 46 minutes, um which is at 7, yeah, 7 p.m. 4 hour candle closure. We still have a lot, to wait. Yeah, the volume kind of drops, but yeah, what I can do right now is just to wait. To see what can happen next. And also a very good volume with the FOMC for sure. But for now, just gonna wait. I have a trade right here. I have a sell. Wait. I have a sell right here, and another order for a sell below this 1 hour low here. And I'm gonna wait for them. I'm gonna wait to see what's happened next in the markets. Right, we kind of have some moves right now. It's almost like 2 minutes for the 1 hour candle to close. 2 minutes. Um, so yeah, looks kind of ranging at this point, but hopefully we can get a move to the downside to like at least filling this week right here, which is like far away, like 200 pips. We got fucking damn it. How much gold moves today, guys? 1,000 pips, 1,400. 1,500 pips. God damn it! It moves like a 1,500 pips just in one 4 hour candle. Like holy shit, that's a lot. That's a lot. Maybe hopefully we can get another drop for like on the 1 hour time frame, 2 hours, things like that. But it moves a lot today. We still have room to the downside, but it's kind of hard after that move. God fucking damn it, man. Was yesterday? I mean, was the I was looking for this kind of cells, but yeah, I guess we just received them just today. So yeah, interesting. Anyway, we gotta wait. We gotta see how far it can go again. We don't trade what we think. We trade what we see. So I'm seeing candle closing bearish at this point. I'm continuing looking for sales, so I'm okay with my position. Hopefully we can break below that level and can continue to the downside also with the second position. Yeah, looks for me looks pretty good. Yeah, kind of the idea is at least to this week here, at least if I'm gonna reach this week right here, I can call it a day and let the rest run. But we need just one more push to the downside. Yeah, one more push. But good things takes time. So as just like yesterday, where was the yesterday move? I guess. Wait a second. So yeah, that one right here. I guess. Yeah, this one. Um, that one was or what? No. Wait. This one right here. Yeah, that was a move from yesterday. So was some 100 pips, but it also takes time. Takes some time to like finally drops and give me the money. And also we're waiting for this candle to okay. Yeah, I'm gonna close this chart. So yeah, this is what I'm waiting for. Maybe you can get another candle. Like look at that. That's a 500 pips candle. Yeah, like let's see if we can get some out of this trade. Yeah, for me looks pretty good. I don't want to hold trades until the FOMC because the FOMC, in my opinion, is gonna be wild. So I just want to close it before like 7:30. So an hour and a half. In an hour and a half. I'm waiting. Yeah, there's clearly no volume at all in the market. I'm waiting to see how the 2 hour candle will close, and then probably I'm gonna close it and wait for the next trade to take at the FOMC. But right now, yeah, that's fucking nonsense. So yeah.